Maganda yung stage, pwede na. Pero ano lang, medyo disappoint lang ako sa presentation. Pero pinag-usapan ang anak ko. So, I was very, very disappointed kasi nakita ko mismo sa auditorium yung commotion that they wanted to correct it, but you know, the owner of Universe made a stop.
Oo.
So, kumbaga, nakita naman natin yung Instagram ng El Salvador ng Miss Universe na una talaga was the top 5, included ang Philippines. And then, mga seconds lang, pinasok na yung Thailand.
Ay, gano'n.
So, kaya nga sabi ko yung pagka-traitor na masasabi ko, I find it very poor. Walang breeding. Ang nakikita ko dun sa may-ari ba? He wanted commercialize yung Universe.
Ay, pato.
It's not anymore